Hi folks, Mike here with Sentry Security. What we're looking at today is the dual monitor setup on the Geovision DVR-NVR lock. To start off, we're going to minimize out of the software. I'm just going to press the Z key on the keyboard. It's the shortcut to minimize out of the software. We want to make sure we've got a couple things done before we go into the setup and configuration of this. First thing that you want to do, make sure you have all of your monitors connected, whether it's 2, 3, 4, or so on. Okay, once you've done that, if you right-click on the Windows desktop and go to Screen Resolution, from within here you're going to see a list of the monitors that you have, and you want to make sure under Multiple Displays that we have them set to Extend. Okay, if you just want to have duplicate monitors so that both monitors show the exact same thing, you'll set that to Duplicate, hit Apply and OK, and you're done. There's nothing to actually change in the Geovision software. Okay, so we're going to leave that at Extend. We've verified that that's good, and I'm going to go back into our Geovision software. From within here, we're going to hit on the Configure button, go to Accessories and the Digital Matrix Settings. Under Digital Matrix Settings at the top, we're going to have a drop-down list which shows the displays. So we're going to pick our secondary display, display 1 we're using as our main screen. We're then going to select Activate. Once we've done that, we're going to go down here and select the division we want. So how many cameras do we want to show up? Okay, so you've got a few different options there on how you want that configured. In our case, I only have one camera, so I'm just going to go ahead and set it to 1 for the division. Here you'll have your list of cameras, so 1, 2, 3, so on, and they'll all show up right in this area. Select the camera that you want and drag and drop into the position that you want. So if we had, say, 10 cameras and we want camera 1 to show up down here, we can do that. We have the full options to do that. Up here we've got a little button that will clear that setting out for us. I'm just going to go back to the 1 division, and that's what we're going to go with. Okay, we can also set it to auto scan, which will flip through all of the cameras that we have. And we can also configure the event pop-up mode. Okay, under event pop-up mode, we've got a few different options. So random position of camera or fixed position, that's where it's going to be displayed. Under random, we've got parallel and cascade mode. Now, once that's done, if you click on the event pop-up, you can set it to trigger by motion. Okay, so we can say, you know, for example, if cameras 1 through 4, we want to pop up whenever there's motion. Okay, we can set the time that the pop-up lasts for, as well as the interruption interval, so it'll switch up to 1 second if all of them have motion on them. Okay, once we've got everything configured the way that we want it, we'll hit, I'm going to go back to live mode, we'll hit apply, and then OK. So live mode typically is what you're going to use. So if you have a monitor that's displaying for the public use and you want them to see certain cameras, you'll have it on live mode with those cameras. That's the way that the majority of the installations will be. Thank you.